Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles northeast of Huntersville, or 4 miles west of Cottle Creek Reservoir, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Kannapolis, downtown Concord, West Concord, Cottle Creek Reservoir, Charlotte Motor Speedway, Harrisburg, Huntersville, and Davidson. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using #NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Cabarrus, and Mecklenburg. This is the NOAA Weather Radio.